I like an unboxing video, and I'm sure that if you've clicked on this video, you also like unboxing videos, right? Anyway, we are unboxing my new handbag, and I thought, why not do it with you guys? Before I get into it, guys, if you're new on this channel, my name is Banker. On my channel, I talk mostly about fashion, bits and bobs of beauty, a touch of lifestyle, and anything else in between, because we are multifaceted over here. And if you're returning, hey, welcome back to my channel. Don't know if you guys have seen, and if you haven't, please go back and watch this video where I talked about my handbag collection. I've only got a handful, it's not a lot, but when I did that video, I realized that I had some gaps in my collection and I wanted to fill in those gaps. And one of the gaps that I spoke about was that I needed a cream or white bag. So I went to Bista Village a couple of weeks ago, and that's where I bought this bag. So Bista Village is just like an outlet for like luxury brands, lots of luxury brands. And yeah, so that's where I bought this bag. So the price point, guys, absolute bargain, absolute bargain. Anyway, guys, let's get into the actual unboxing. Let's the bag. From the title, you guys know it's a Gucci bag. It just came in a dust bag like this. I don't know if some other stores do, but anyway, they didn't give me a box with this bag, which is fine. Comes with a dust bag, and it is the Soho cross body bag, the Gucci Soho cross body bag. Guys, is this focusing properly? There we go. It's the perfect shade of ivory. I want to say this is cream / ivory, so it's not white, which is fine. I wanted this color because I want something that is going to be so versatile. Actually, before I get into it, guys, the Soho bag, I think Gucci released the Soho bag back in 2012, and it was so popular. It's been one of the very popular bags, and I was also checking the resale market for this bag. After I spotted it, I was like, okay, what's it actually like reselling for before I get this bag? And I actually got it cheaper from Bista Village than the cheapest resale price that I saw. And again, I actually didn't even see this color in the resale market. So I had a nosy around, and I was like, okay, I can't get it cheaper, so I might as well just get it. And I fell in love with it. Strangely, it wasn't even on my radar, which is such a weird thing, but that's one of the reasons, or that's one of the good things about actually going in store to shop for things, because things pop up and you're like, oh, this is so me. So the size, the everything is completely off my street. I know there might be a little bit of transfer at the back because of the color, but you will get that with any bag that has a light color, so minor concern over there. So the Soho bag is the one with the tassel. I've kind of unboxed this, like, to check it properly. So it does have the tassels, which I love. I have a lot of bags with like gold hardware, and I think subconsciously I was looking for something with a silver hardware, and this is actually neither gold nor silver. It's like a gunmetal. Oh, let's bring it up close. So it's like a gunmetal vibe. It's neither gold nor silver, and I really like that. So on days that I wear like gold accessories like this, it's gonna work. On days that I wear silver, it's gonna work perfectly as well. So in the bag, come on. So sorry, before I get in the bag, it also has the long chain strap, and if you choose to, you can have it as a clutch. Oh my god, I love this bag. So let's get up to do this. You can have it as a clutch. Guys, how stunning is this? And again, if you do choose to, you can use the chain strap for crossbody effects. I do like a crossbody bag, but it's, guys, it's lovely. It's absolutely lovely. So you guys can tell why I fell in love with this bag, right? You absolutely can see it. So yeah, apart from the color, I also like the details. And inside the bag, it is lined. So it has this sort of like a fabric lining. I don't know if my light is doing what it should do. So it has like a fabric lining, you guys can see, and inside it has this, on this side it has like a little compartment without a zipper, and on the other side it has the zipped compartment, you guys can see, and then it comes with all the certification and stuff on that side. I know I'm going to wear this bag a lot. You guys are going to be seeing me styling this bag literally like all the time. I do like that it's not too out there. Like, obviously if you know, you'd know, but this reminds me of the new, I don't know if you guys have seen the Blondie bag. It's a new Gucci Blondie bag. So the GG, or the logo, is in gold and it's quite bold, like in your face. And to be honest, I actually saw that bag and I was like, oh, I actually like this. Maybe I manifested this bag some way, one way or the other. But when I saw the Blondie bag, I was like, I really like this. But then I was like, I don't need another bag with gold hardware. So that was one of the important things for me. I didn't really want like a loud or in your face gold hardware. I've been saying this for years, but it never really like clicked that I would like it. Like, it just was not on my radar. I can't explain it. But when I saw it in real life, I was like, this is what I'm looking for. This is literally what I'm looking for. It could have been any other brand, to be honest with you, but it just so happens that it is Gucci. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this bag, let me know. Obviously I haven't worn it, so I can't tell you how it wears, but I think, I'm hoping that it would wear well, again, because the resale value is still pretty high. So that's one of the reasons, or that's one of the ways that you can tell, like, you have confidence in the bag. I have good confidence in this bag, that it is actually a good durable bag, and I cannot wait to start styling it. Anyway guys, if you like this type of videos, let me know. I'm sure you do. Let me know in the comments. And also, if you have any questions, please drop a comment. Guys, you can also find me on Instagram and on TikTok, where you'd see me styling my pieces, my clothes, and all that stuff on a daily. So please don't forget to subscribe and find me on those channels as well. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box below. And until next time guys, take care. Bye.